Hi fellow beaders and crystal lovers, it's Harmony from Rainbows of Light. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have a beautiful Swarovski crystal and chain earring design project for you that I'll be walking you through step-by-step instructions on how to make them. I've made a couple of different options here using a variety of Swarovski crystals. This one is the 6228 10mm Swarovski Crystal Heart Pendant in clear crystal, and then this is the same thing in black diamond, and then here we have the 6010 11mm Briolette pendants in the color Padparadscha. So I thought it'd be fun, since it's spring, to use a springtime color. So I'll be using this beautiful 6106, the Pearshape pendant in a 16mm, and this is the Provence Lavender Chrysolite Blend. Really beautiful for especially spring and summer jewelry designs. So to get started, you'll need a ruler, you'll need some chain. I've decided to go with silver this time. We have 2 ear wires, a couple of different heart charms. I just use these heart charms at the very end here. You can use any kind of charm you'd like, or you can just use your jump ring as well. We're going to need 8 jump rings and then a couple of tools. So really what we're going to do is start off by just cutting our chains. There's going to be 3 different lengths here. The first length will be 3/4 of an inch. The medium length is 1.5 inch. And the longest length is 2.5 inches long. So I'm just going to start measuring and start cutting. Right there's about 3/4 of an inch. And then the second one was 1.5 inches. And the third one was 2.5 inches. Okay, so now we're just going to take our jump rings and simply attach the Swarovski crystals to each end of the chain. Now we're going to take the jump ring and thread each of the chains onto the jump ring. And then you're going to take your little heart charm there, thread it through. Create a nice tight loop there. Now you can just take your charm and thread it onto your ear wire. Just like that. And you're all done. Simple as can be and really nice, fun, easy to wear. There we go. So thanks so much for joining me today. I sincerely appreciate it. You can find all of these Swarovski crystal beads, pendants, and more at our website at rainbowsoflight.com. So thanks so much. Keep smiling and keep shining.